Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to my online class. Today, I am going to start a new chapter, safety and first aid. So, all of you, open your book and learn with me. Okay. So, let's start the chapter. Uses of first aid. So, uses where do you use first aid? So, here these are the points where we can use first aid. So, first one is minor cuts and wounds, deep cut, nose bleeding, sprains, fracture, burns, animal bites, fire and poisoning. So what is first aid? So first aid is a taking care of any injury before going to doctor. Okay. So safety rules. So what are the safety rules we should follow at home? All of you know it. So first point is we need to take extra care while working in the kitchen. So in case of working in the kitchen, there is a major chance that accident may happen. So we have to take extra care while in the kitchen. Then if there is gas leak, warn everyone. So if there is any leaking in the gas pipe, so we should inform everyone. Then open all doors and windows in and around the kitchen so that the gas spread out. So if there is some accident happen while leaking gas, so we should open all doors and windows that gas may pass out from the room. Okay, so come to the next page. Then second point is if the oil in the pan catches fire, control the fire by covering the pan. Okay, throw some baking soda on the burning oil. If the air catches the oil, then we should we should throw some baking soda in the burning oil. Okay, then never leave the kitchen on bathroom floor wet. Okay, then never leave the kitchen or bathroom floor wet. Then when we leave the bathroom floor or kitchen floor wet, then someone may sleep on it. Then throw banana peels and other wastes in the dustbin to avoid sleeping over them. Okay, we can sleep in banana peels. Okay, understand? Then on the road, what we should do on the road, keep to the left while walking on the road. Okay, we should always walk on the left side. Do not get into or out of a moving bus or train. Do not peep out of a moving vehicle. So we should not get out or get into from a moving bus or train, moving vehicle. Then play only in safe places like park and playground. We should not play on the road. Cross the road using the subway or the zebra crossing. Learn road signs and follow them. That means we should follow the traffic signal, green light, red light, yellow light, etc. Then fire safety. What are the fire safety? Never play with matchstick and crackers, or you should never light the candle or matchstick. Store petrol and kerosene oil in a airtight cans away from the fire. Then if kerosene catches the fire, then it should burn the room or burn the area. Then do not wear synthetic clothes while cooking in the kitchen. Wear only cotton clothes. So synthetic clothes easily catch the fire, so we should wear cotton clothes. Make sure that the gas stove is switched off when not in use. So gas stove must be switched off when not in use. Then come to the point, first aid. Which is the main topic of the chapter. So what is first aid? Whenever an accident happens, these are the definition. Underline this line. Whenever an accident happens, the injured must be given an immediate medical aid before he or she is taken to the hospital. This is called first aid. Okay, it is very essential and can save the life of the injured person. Okay, different type of injuries need different types of first aid. So there are various type of first aid we should give depending on the injuries. Okay, understand about the safety rules on the at home, on the road, and fire safety, and what is first aid. Okay, come to the next page. Now minor cuts or wounds. When there is minor cut, firstly wash your hands before giving first aid to the injured person. Try to remove all the dirt from the wounds with small pads of cotton soaked in antiseptic. So we should give antiseptic to at the place of injury. Okay, cover the wound with a clean cotton dressing to stop the bleeding. Then deep cut. If there is a deep cut then and is bleeding heavily, it is important to stop the bleeding. So before giving the first aid, we should look while this is a minor cut or deep cut. If this is a minor cut, so we should just paste with the antiseptic or with cotton soaked. Then if there is deep cut, then we have to give sterile gauze a thick pad and press it over the wound. If the bleeding does not stop, use a tight bandage called tourniquet. Okay, then first you have to give sterile gauze and press it over the wound area. If the bleeding does not stop, then you should use tight bandage called tourniquet. So what is tourniquet? All of you please underline this line. Then nose bleeding. While nose bleeding, we should do the following step: 1, 2, 3. So first one is ask the patient to sit on a chair comfortably with his her head tilted back and arms folded above the head. So as like this, we should sit in a chair. Okay, then prepare an ice pack by wrapping ice cube in a cloth and crushing the ice. Then ask the victim to breathe through his mouth. Also, do not allow him or her to blow his or her nose. Okay, in case of nose bleeding, first of all, the patient should sit with his arm tilted. Okay, then prepare an ice pack and wrapping ice cube with a cloth and crushing the ice. Apply the ice pack on the patient's nose. Then this will also reduce bleeding. Then ask the victim to breathe. Victim means patient through his or her mouth. Okay, do not breathe through nose while nose bleeding. Okay, understand? Then fracture, all of you read this topic. What we have to do in case of fracture. Then come to the next page. Here, sprain, burns and animal bites. So what is sprain? When tissues around the joint get torn, it is called sprain. So when tissues around a joint means this is the joint, so around a joint gets torn, it is called sprain. So sprains are very painful. So for as a first aid for the sprain, we should give an ice pack. Okay, then burns. While burning, one get burns from the object like fire, boiling water or milk, etc. So we have to give water or ice may be applied on the burnt area. This is the first aid. Then animal bite. While biting by any animal, then we should follow these 3 steps. First one is wash the wound with soap and water to wash away the germs. So there may be some germs in the mouth of this animal like dog, cat, monkey, etc. Then apply an antiseptic on the wound. Use antiseptic. Then take the victim to the doctor immediately. Doctor may give an anti-rabies injection. Rabies means a disease which is caused by the biting of animal. Okay, understand? So last page is for your homework. Read it and try to understand. Okay, so it's your today's class. Thank you. Have a good day.